You know, in '95, most gamers were still using joysticks and a bit of keyboard as well. But you know, Vivitar, which was actually a camera company, came up with something new, a new concept, a wireless joystick. You know, this was before USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, any of that. Just 1990s technology trying to solve a problem decades before wireless became mainstream. Back in the late 80s and early to mid 90s, joysticks were an incredibly common part of gaming. Home computers like the Amiga and Atari relied heavily on them, with many games being designed around that simple one-button digital joystick. For a lot of gamers, sitting down in front of an Amiga and Atari meant instinctively just grabbing that joystick even before touching the keyboard. As PC gaming grew throughout the 90s, joysticks remained popular, but they began to evolve into more advanced analog devices aimed at flight simulators, space combat games, driving games, and action titles. Games like Wing Commander, X-Wing, Descent, and Terminal Velocity all really benefited from joystick controls. But as the decade progressed, gaming began to change. First-person shooters such as Doom, Quake, Duke Nukem 3D all helped establish the keyboard and mouse combination as the preferred way to play. It offered a level of speed and precision that the joysticks just simply couldn't match. By the early 2000s, joysticks had largely disappeared from the average gamer's desk. Looking back, it's pretty easy to forget how important joysticks once were. They weren't just an accessory, they were the primary way that people experienced computer games. So this fantastic boxed example from New Zealand of all places. Got a link to the video. So we'll open it up, have a look at what's inside, and get it connected and playing some games of that era and see what was it really like. Okay, so let's have a look at what we're working with. Look at this PC version. Got some images, you know, some marketing here. Wireless, left and right-handed, wonderful. Patented technologies, all that stuff. On the back, you know, what you get in the box, the controller, low latency, you know, it's promising the world. Sampling rates and all sorts of stuff. Okay, so if we open it up, here we go. Very cool. Nice display. This is in excellent condition. The guy who gave it to me told me, backstory of this is it was his dad's. It stayed in a garage for most of its life, so wasn't used much. This is all you get. You get the sensor, the controller, and a booklet. But it does not need a driver disc. Joysticks just plugged into the joystick port and worked. The games themselves had the drivers built in for them, and Windows itself also. So here we go, got a bit of a manual. Get that box out of the way. So here we are. Seems to be the sensor, classic joystick port, the star of the show, the controller. Look at this. Looks like something out of Star Trek, doesn't it? Some sort of a weapon. Yeah. So yeah, very cool. Very nice and ergonomic. Feels nice in the hand. Left and right-handed. Look at that. Yeah. So yeah, let's get this plugged in, running. Let's start with the game that we know, it should be perfect for this. Raptor. So this is, I'm going to have a lot of this. This is how they always used to work. You need to calibrate the joystick. So let's have a look. So flat as possible. Press the fire button. Upper left. Fire button. Bottom right. Fire button. Let's see how we go. Okay, so I think keep the distance. There we go. Okay. Oh, straight into the bullets. Okay. It's not too bad. Okay. Oh my god. That's it. My shoulder. I'm feeling it already though. I mean, how are you supposed to hold this thing like in the air like this? It's after a couple of seconds, forget minutes, hit your shoulder. You can feel it already. And all right. Oh, this is too hard. It's very difficult to control. Oh wow. This is a terrible experience. It really is. Oh, look at this. Oh, my shoulder. This is shockingly bad. All right, I'm gonna try resting it. Like pistol style. Come on. Oh no, look. Oh, my missiles. See, the problem is you got to really keep it inside of that. As soon as it doesn't see because it communicates through infrared, and as soon as it can't see it properly, that's it. You get nothing. This is the problem. If you put it up high, it's not going to sense properly. Put it a bit lower so it communicates with the sensor. It's sort of, you get these weird moments of responsiveness and then moments of where you move it and it's just, it's not communicating with you. So I just don't know what to make of it. I'm going to get my ass kicked. Oh, go around, go around. Oh, yeah. That's what I expected is going to happen. Oh, yep. There I am. Crashed because of this joystick. Okay, Tomb Raider, because why not? Let's see. As if this game isn't hard enough to play with keys. All right, let's see how we go. Okay, we've got movement. Yeah, don't we just love jumping puzzles? So yeah, this is going to be fun. You know, I'm stuck at the first part. This is unbelievable. I can't even get through. Oh my god. Oh, he's going to jump off. Jump, god damn it. Backflip. Oh my god, that was so painful. Oh man. Oh, I mean, it's not just painful mentally, but painful physically as well, because my shoulder, you just don't do this to yourself, seriously. Oh, it's just an exercise in frustration. Oh, so difficult to control. I'm pointing it right at the damn thing. What are you doing? Oh, come on. Yeah, just jump around. Yeah. So we're going to jump our way through here. I mean, this game's controls were difficult enough. And, you know, if you really want to make it even harder, this is the way to do it. That's the limit of my mental capacity and physical capacity. All right, take a break for the next one. Unbelievable. You know, I'm starting to realize why this wasn't such a bestseller. Great idea, in theory. But, you know, you have to always hold it out. The whole point of this thing is it's wireless. So I assume you're going to hold it out in the air like this, right? So holding it out like this, unlike a Wii joystick, which you sort of move around, this you hold still. So your arm is in this position constantly, trying to twist it and get and you know what? After a couple of minutes, you all of a sudden you start feeling strain, and it is horrible. It just really, I can see why the design, great in principle, in reality, absolutely shocking. Terrible usability. I guess you could use it pistol grip, but then, you know, you have two shoulders aching rather than one, and you could put it on the desk, but why would you? You'd just use a normal joystick, wouldn't you? So, yeah, I'm starting to struggle. Okay, terminal velocity. Let's see, you know, I think this, you know, joystick is good for these sorts of games, so you would think that hopefully this will be a better experience. Let's see how we go. All right, here we go. Oh. All right, this is better. Oh, I can speed up, slow down. All right, cool. Okay, let's destroy a base, shall we? Why not? Oh my god. Yeah, it's not most pleasant. Oh my god. And again, holding it in the air. It's just... Oh, wow. Oh, whoa. Shot something. Pure chance, I tell ya. Yeah, there's no crosshair in this game as well, I noticed now. Oh, see if I can shoot this tank. Yeah. Alright. Let's go take another base out. Yeah, with the finer controls, it just... Oh, it's so unpredictable. Get down, goddammit! Oh, no! Oh, wow. Yeah, oh, I think you have to stay right in front, lined up perfectly with the infrared. There we go. Alright. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, sometimes it feels great, but then it just won't respond to some movements. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's just really unpredictable. Oh, yeah. Look, I mean, I'm sure all these things require practice. You know, you don't just plug it in and expect it to be amazing. But it does. Oh, it does take it up. Damn it! Up! Pull up! Oh, look, see? Look. Oh, see? I'm upside down. See what happens is if I pull up like this, because the sensor can't see it, it's just going straight. So I have to make sure that it's got line of sight and then pull up. So really I have to keep, even though it's a wireless joystick, you can't go, you know, playing around everywhere you want. You have to still keep it within the perfect line of sight of the sensor for it to work. Yes, I can see a fatal flaw in this design already. Come on. Oh man, I tell you what, the other reason I've survived this long is because I put this game on extremely easy mode. It really does make the game very difficult to play, I must say. And Joystick's supposed to make it easier, especially on flight type games. Could you imagine trying to use this in a proper flight sim? Oh wow, you crashed that plane in no time. Whoa, I think I had enough of this one. Let's try something else. This is, oh wow. Oh my god, I see why they didn't sell many of these things. Should we try Quake? I'm too scared, but let's try it. Bit of FPS action, man. Okay. Strap in. Let's see. Not terrible so far. Okay, let's go easy skill. We definitely need all the help we can get. Okay. Oh man, it's just like an autopilot. I have to use the arrow keys to pull him back. Oh, Jesus. This is something else. Let's see if I can shoot at something. Oh, yes. All right. Come on. All right. Come back, man. Oh, wow. It's got a bit of a mind of its own. I'm not sure if my calibration doesn't help. I'm sure it doesn't. But look at it. Turn back, goddammit. Oh, he's off. He's off on a jog, and you got to try and control him. Just direct him, because he's not stopping. Yeah. Right, let's try the pistol grip. Oh, wow, got him to stay still. Then look at my hand position. It's not flat. Where are you? Come on, mate. Get him. You got to time it perfectly. Oh, I only took 5 shots. Oh wow, this is stressful. If this game's too easy for you, play with one of these joysticks. All right, let's go. Walk into that slip gate. Wow, man. Whew. My shoulder. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. All right, that's Quake. Next one. Unbelievable. Okay, we go on. We must go on. Fatal Racing. Let's try this. Fatal Racing. Made by Gremlin Software. Let's start. Oof. All right, need to stretch out the elbows. Okay. Getting ready for a boxing match. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Okay, we've got some movement. Okay. You know what? This is not half bad. This is not bad, actually. This is probably the best one so far. It's quite responsive. Yeah, there you go. They're good at the adjustments. Because, you know, playing this game on keyboard is horrible. The controls are pretty bad. Dare I say it, it feels like you get a bit more fine-tuning with the joystick. Because, you know, with the keyboard, it's just full left or full right. Whereas the keyboard with the joystick, you can sort of, you know, adjust your turning a little bit better. So, yeah, look at that. Not bad at all. I'm surprised. There is a game that it works well on. Would you look at that? Still going dead last, mind you, but this is probably some of the best driving I've done on this game. Oh, man. Yeah, you know, sooner or later, that shoulder pain always kicks in. It is terribly uncomfortable. Let's see, what have I on the desk? Which, again, completely defeats the purpose. Why would you sit on the desk when you just use a regular joystick? The whole point of this being Wi-Fi is that it's, you know, you're free. Oh, free to lose it. Oh, man, I don't know how many more laps I can last. Just feel the pain coming back from your back of your shoulder down. All right, okay. I'm going to need another break before I can try the next game. Oh, my God. All right, that's enough. All right, let's try some Rise of the Triad. This is a game that I normally love. Let's see if that changes with this joystick. Oh, I tell you, you know, I think I realised why this was in such great condition, because the guy has used it once, packed it away, and never touched it again. Alright, let's get some dual wielding action, dual Berettas. See if I can actually hit somebody. Okay. I tell you, you know, it's hard to know if it's the joystick or if it's my calibration as well, because you've got to calibrate before every game. Turn around, and he turns like a bus. Surely I should be hitting him. Let's go over a jump pad. Whoa. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, stay up there. Oh man. You know, I'm sort of just going along for the ride. I can't control anything. Come on, get up there. God damn it. Almost got burnt. Oh, stay. Rocket launcher. Yes. Finally. God, that was so hard to get. Oh no. I just died. Oh, on the flame. Finally got the rocket launcher, damn it. Oh man, I need some therapy to get my shoulder back in place after this. Oh wow, this is super frustrating. Oh wow. Oh, Jesus Christ. You know, okay. Enough of that one. Next torture. You know, because I love torturing myself, I'm going to try and play Quake III Arena with this thing. So apparently you can play it with a joystick. Just want to get one frag. If I can get one frag with this joystick, I'm going to consider this a victory. All right, shotgun. Come on, up close and personal. Oh. Yes, yes. Oh no. Look up, damn you. Yes, 2 frags. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, just when I got the quad damage. Oh, you just would not do this to yourself. Oh, my shoulder. The pain's starting to kick in. The pain. It always does. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus. You know, it's so unpredictable. Sometimes it turns, sometimes it doesn't. You know, it's going to do what it's going to do. You're a passenger. You've got to go along for the ride. Whew, all right. Okay, I think that's enough of that one. My God. You know, it's not that... In the end, you give up because of pain and injury. Oh, man. All right. Whew. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. You know, it's a fascinating piece of retro technology, but probably one of the worst controllers I've ever used. Shockingly bad, horribly uncomfortable. Now, the whole advantage of this thing was that it doesn't need a base, but then that was its biggest disadvantage as well, because without a base, you got to hold it in the air constantly and just suffer horrible shoulder pain. Now, the WJ2000 promised the future, but the only thing it delivered was missed inputs, horrible user experience, and a sore back. So there it is. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I had a tough time making it. If you want to support my channel, links are in the description. Really appreciate it. If you do, thank you to everybody that does. Thank you again for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.